Okay guys, as I promised, I'm going to try and upload a new video every day of an unboxing. Showing some shoes on feet, doing a quick review. This is a unboxing of some old shoes I picked up. Haven't even opened the box yet. If you can tell what it is. Of course, Foot Locker, Foamposite Pro PRM. Black laser crimson. So if you know what colorway that is, we got the receipt on the inside of the box. Of course, Foot Locker. These are the Foamposite Solar Yeezys. Real clean looking shoe. Got that carbon fiber look to it. Carbon fiber shank plate. Sides. Here's the bottom. Glows in the dark. It doesn't glow in the dark that well. I think my KD6 All-Star glows in, no wait, yeah, the KD6 All-Star glows in the dark better than these, but I don't really care too much. So here's what the shoe looks like up front. Got that, it says Air logo. It doesn't have the half cent, just says Air. Here's what the inside looks like. It's got that red. Well, it's orangish reddish looking. Here's the back of the shoe. So there's Foamposite. So here's this one. And I don't know if they oiled up the shoe or not, or like greased it, but look, if you can see at the paper, it looks like it's oiled, like some oil seeped through it. So it's like maybe the material they used to make it, they oiled it up and it's soaking through the paper, so it's kind of weird. It's the first time I've ever seen this when I bought a Foamposite. So I don't know if you guys had that problem too, or if mine were just like that, but you know, I don't know. But here's the other shoe. There's the other shoe. Detailed look at the inside of it. It's got a carbon fiber surrounding on the foam. It's a dope shoe. Haven't worn these yet, and I'll show you what they look like on feet. But like I said, these are brand new, completely brand new. Never worn them, never picked them out of the box. I haven't even worn these yet, because I didn't want to mess them up, and also is because I bought 2 pairs. So I gotta get me 2 pairs, you know, so one to rock to get dirty, mess up, and one to keep dead stock, so that when I mess this one up, I can bring these out and rock some more. So you can see on the bottom of these, I've actually worn these. And you can see that they're kind of dirty a little bit. Not really, not too bad. But in a minute here, I'll show you what they look like on feet. So there's the 2 shoes. Like I said, got 2 pairs. So here's a review of what it looks like on feet. Alright guys, so here's what they look like on feet. They're pretty comfortable shoes. Foamposites, they, of course, you wear them enough and they start molding to your feet. So they're really comfortable. And I'll start to show you what they look like up top. Here's the side view. Front. Side. And back. So if you missed out on them, sorry, you missed out. But you know, of course you probably get them on eBay or something for way overpriced. But these, I got lucky. I won the raffle for both of them, and so I caught both pairs, which cost me a lot of money, but I think it was worth it. And this is why it's an unboxing, because I'm showing you a pair of dead stock, and the ones I'm wearing are the ones that I actually rock when I go out. But actually, I've only probably worn these one time so far, because I have like a million other kicks. But either way, I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys liked watching the video. Comment, rate, subscribe. Tell me what you think. Hit that thumbs up button. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Peace.